Okay, so hello YouTube. This is my third time trying to record this, and I just died of laughter because my kitten Nemo is like 3 months old, and he's being a ninja. So I scare the little thing, and he like does a freaking backflip
Look, guys.
and lands on his back. Wow. And he's being a ninja right now. And where is it? Ah! I messed up the body. See him? See him? Look at this. He's messing with the dog. Look at him.
He just smacked him on the paw. He's doing
Look,
it again.
look at him. Just look at this. I'm getting it on camera. Look at this. This is priceless. He's a ninja. And he's scaring the dog Rebel.
I will touch you.
See? He's such a ninja. But anyway, that is Nemo, my cat, who is completely awesome. And yeah. Yo, there's my dad. Say hi. Dad. Say hi.
Hi.
You're on YouTube. But Ninja kitten. Okay. Where is he? Where is he? Hi, kitten. Oh.
You've been through 2 weeks of intensive training in the art of tattooing. That's really 7 months worth of work in your pet in 2 weeks. Before you can graduate and function as a tattoo artist in the real world, you have to pass my finals. For your final assignment, we're bringing in a family who wants to honor
This is Ninja.
permanent ink.
This is the little ninja. Look at that face. How can you deny it? You can definitely deny he's a ninja all you want to, but he's still a ninja. Look at this.
I'm convinced that the ninja is a portrait or some ridiculously hard thing.
And he hates love.
At graduation, I'm
Can you
going
do
to
it
pick my favorite tattoo. I'm going to give that artist a
Don't
special
say hi to
gift
the
to
audience.
kick off your new career. The golden
Kitty
gun.
kitty. He's so cute. Look at this face.
Is what we call the golden gun. It's a high-end
Mm.
tattoo machine, and it will last.
Anyway, this is my kitten face / Nemo / Chubby Bunny. His actual name is Nemo, but he just goes by nicknames, and he's claiming me right now, and it's really weird. And he's squirmy.
You what?
Yeah, being a ninja. And it's crazy.
Alright, crew, these are the Guyton girls. They're getting a tattoo today in honor of their father. Hey, I'm right.
Anyway, I'm distracting kitten. But
these 3 girls
look at him.
had a dragon tattoo.
He's such a
They
ninja.
wore a dragon tattoo to commemorate him, but each one was a little different.
Okay, so this kitten will make you die if you watch him enough, and I don't have enough time to just sit here and record him and record him and record him. But anyway, anyway, so I guess that's it. Yeah, my kitten is adorable,
I am so relieved.
and look forward to the zombie video I'm doing, because it'll be a lot better than this, because this is at 12:21 in the morning, and yeah, I just died laughing, so my makeup's all messed up and everything. But and yeah, so love you too. Bye.